Okay guys, we're trying to get home because oh no, I mean it's giving holiday vibes, guys. Look at that. Huh? Hi guys, we are now in PE. So nice. We're going to KFC. There is the KFC, right? But we don't know how to get there because this road goes that way or that way, and there's no gate there. But anyway, we'll figure it out. It's the joys of being in a place that you don't know. But we have a car. They borrowed us a car, guys. We are mobile. Change of plans. We are now going to McDonald's because getting to that KFC was a bit of a challenge. But anyway, we're going here. We love McDonald's coffee. We're actually just on the hunt for coffee. That's what we're looking for. We haven't had coffees since yesterday.
Mom? There's no such a thing of ACC.
Two.
One.
No, one.
Yeah. So brown or white?
No sugar.
White and brown.
No sugar.
King brown.
Sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. Okay guys, we're trying to get home because oh no, I can't show addresses and stuff. Oh no, it's not address. Because we don't know how to get home. So this is us trying. This is Varsity College. We are currently here. Here's our new driver. Uber Eats. I mean, it's giving holiday vibes, guys. Look at that. Huh? It's not holiday vibes,
Sometimes even when you go to the restaurant,
they each give you this.
You can order it and you open it inside and it's got some stuff inside.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my word, The beach is beautiful. The weather is weathering. Oh my word, PE came all out. All out, all out, all out. PE is doing the things that PE is supposed to do. The things that Cape Town failed to do. PE is doing it. The weather is beautiful. I am loving it. Winter time. No jersey. Guys. Good stuff. Let us walk more. We're gonna go to the mall. There's just like a mall opposite here. I'll show you just now. But we're gonna do a bit of walking and then going to the mall and get a few things, and then we're going home. Let me show you the mall. There's somewhere in there. Somewhere in there, there's a mall. Oh wow! Turn it around.
On the other side.
Take a picture. Cape Town Fields. The sun is out here. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. Like, and it's winter time. But PE was like,
You want to go in the water? No!
tie you the shoes. Not on me. It's a bone, my boy. Let me feel your cold water. Whoa! This water is cold. Ah!
It's not cold.
No, it's cold. Hi, how you feeling?
I'm feeling cold in the
Water
water.
is cold. Oh, look at the waves. The waves came. There's our little one there. And there's Daddy here. Me. Sun-kissed. Her.
Go away. Let me put this.
Looks like a blanket.
First time in the water, I'm shooting a video.
Next way.
Coming.
There.
No! That's a snail.
It's a shell.
Look, you see, look at the phone. These are
Guys, we are at Pick n Pay. We're trying to get liver. We need liver.
Nothing.
We went to Checkers, they don't have liver. Now we are at Pick n Pay, they don't have liver. Abantu base PE naidli liver. Do you eat liver? Because there's no liver here. And by the way, I wanted to share this joke. So my husband, before the plane even landed, Use is tattering. Uthi molo kalokho. Molo sawubona. Sawubona ntombi. Guys, look at the bread in PE. Like the bread in PE is slender. Like it's not the normal size bread that we know. I'll take a picture. Let me show you with Albani because Albani is a bread that we know. Cylinder. They're on a diet, this bread. Okay, which one are we taking? Sure. Which one are we taking? We're getting food for ourselves. How much is it normally?
19.
For real?
Yeah.
Take it. Take now. Come take the normal one. Take the normal one. I want to put it together. Can you guys? Oh, you can't see it like this. Let's see. Like this. The double one. Eh?
Put it in. Push your trolley. Walk nicely.
What are we? Meat. Daddy, come try the pork. Pork. That looks nice.
We're happy I come from Taiwan.
Yeah.
Should I take 2 or 3?
Take 2, and then take something else.
69 for 2.
Buy 2, get 1 free. That's expensive.
Yeah, but that makes it 79 for Niamey snacks. So you're buying 2 for this price. Divide it.
The first month.
120.
It's
for one
expensive.
is the same as buying 3.
We need biscuits for coffee.
The ginger ones.
There is the one for sale. My favorite ones.
Take some.
Our trolley.
You even have.
Look at our trolley. You're acting like everyone I know. You're acting like everyone I know.
American Beach. American Beach is
So here at Boardwalk, Somerset, yeah, we are ordering a nice cappuccino here from Woolies because I don't trust Wimpy. I read Wimpy and I was disappointed. So yeah.